Hey guys, so this is the Eaglemoss Collection's 3D printer. Um, just quickly show you the parts. I'm not going to take it out, just it's pointless because it's only one bar and a couple of screws. So yeah, alright, I'll show you the back real quick before I show you the magazine. First issue is $4.99, second issue $9.99. Every other issue is $16.99. There's 19 issues in the collection, except for 2 issues, which are priced at $29.99. So the 2 premium issues, part of the 90 magazines. So I'm guessing it's like your computer chips and all that type of stuff. I don't know. The total collection will cost you $1,536.10 in Australia. $1,804.10 in New Zealand. That's $19.99 an issue in New Zealand, and $34.99 in New Zealand for the premium issues. Yeah, so go to 3dprinter/collection.com.au if you'd like to see their website. Alright, I'll show you the magazines. Introducing 3D printing. So I'll just quickly go through this one. So it weighs 8 kilograms, the printer itself. It's compatible with Windows XP, Windows 7, I guess Windows 8, but it doesn't say it. Mac OS X 10.7 and above. It's 400 millimeters wide by 400 millimeters long by 295 wide, and 356 millimeters tall. So let's have a look at this. So it just says what is 3D printing. Then there's a brief history, and it just goes through what's in your magazine. So every week you get the world of 3D printing, design files, design tutorial, 3D printing techniques, build your 3D printer, and work smarter. And just says anyone can do it, and just shows you how you can design a little house or something, say for Monopoly. Quickly show you the back, which has all the free gifts. Alright, in Australia they don't really like people getting from news agents, so they make it really difficult to get them through the news agents. So take out a subscription if you really want it. It's 4 issues every month, sorry. So you get a delivery once a month. You get free gifts, which is a binder, a toolkit. I've seen the toolkit on the internet. Pretty good, I reckon. You get filament, a flash drive, free designs, and a digital copy of every magazine. Alright, to the magazine. So this is issue number 1. So this is the world of 3D printing. This is just to reserve your copy at the newsagents. Competition to win a 3D printing pen. Just go to the website as far as I know. It's drawn on the 30th of June 2015, so you don't have long. So take that, send that back to them if you're in New Zealand, send that back to them if you're in Australia. Alright, so 3D printing revolution. It begins with a design. This is the 3D design tutorial. .3D scanning. This is the instructions to start building a 3D printer. time to get inspired. Chess set, so this is design files. Another thing to get you to subscribe. And finishing techniques. Touches, sorry. Issue 2, you get a shaft fixing base, and some nuts and butts. Nuts and screws. So yeah, that's issue 2 for $9.99. Issue 1 again is $4.99. 90 issues in the collection. Alright guys, catch you later.